Hello friends, here with another origami tutorial. First of all, you have to take a square piece of favorite color paper, fold it into equal triangles, press well so you may have crease. Now from the other side, the same steps. Open it. Now horizontally. Press. Now from the other side. The same procedure. Now you will have a star of creases. You have to fold it into a square of diamond shape. Basically, make sure to equalize the corners so that it may look perfect. Now fold from top to bottom as a triangle shape. Repeat the step from the other side too. Don't forget to comment your country's national flag. I am curious to know about it. Now, we have a petal type shape roughly. Okay, open it. Smoothly. Done. If you have pressed every fold, well, it will be very easy to do such folds as there will be creases upon your paper. Stay calm and it will be perfect. All the steps are a bit similar with a little difference. So make sure that you may not get confused in it. You may pause the video to catch up. Good. Now pull that petal upward. Okay. Then from the second side. Now from the third side. And the fourth one. Okay, rough structure of a bloomed flower. Turn the needle inside towards the center. Now open it. And just closed. We are nearly done. Hope you are learning it. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. You may give it to your teachers on Teacher Day, friends on Friendship Day, and your mother on Mother Day. You can also use it as a decoration piece, especially if you're a student or a crafty. Our third petal is also done. The fourth one, the same steps. It is not that hard. You can make it with practice. Okay, now turn the petals to make it more elegant and beautiful and to give it a realistic effect. And our flower is done.